hello. Oh, Zach is here. Come on. Come on.
Hey, don't mess with my hair. Oh, yeah.
I think Alice is dead. I think he's dead.
Oh, it's hard to make it in. Ow,
I don't think he likes this because you're like
Ow.
hurting him
Ow.
or something. Yeah, you're not. Yeah. I like Ken. He's just like spinning in circles. I think he's been dead. Look at Alice.